I'm James Spinney, and here is your morning market brief. As always, we're beginning overseas, this with the major Asian Pacific markets trading on the upside, with Japan's Nikkei 225 index rising 1.16%. However, the major European markets are in negative territory, and U.S. stock futures are pointing towards a negative open. Meanwhile, overseas in economic reports, we first begin in Japan, whose unemployment rate rose to a reading of 4.7% in the month of July. This as payrolls fell by a total of 40,000 from the previous month. Retail sales in Japan also fell to a seasonally adjusted rate of 0.3% from June. Meanwhile, keeping in Asia, India's economy grew at a 7.7% in the quarter ending in June, its slowest growth in roughly 18 months. Meanwhile, European economic confidence in the month of August fell to a reading of 98.3 from a revised 103 in July, its lowest level since May 2010. The sentiment amongst the investors and European manufacturers also fell, coming in at a reading of negative 2.9 for the month from 0.9 in July. And services confidence also falling to a reading of 3.7 from 7.9. Meanwhile, the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index for the month of June was just released out of the United States, and for the second quarter, the figure rose by a total of 3.6%. And scheduled to be released at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the consumer confidence data out of the United States for the month of August, and the consensus is for a slight drop in the confidence level to come in at 52.5. Now, in company news, Peabody Energy and ArcelorMittal have won over MacArthur Coal with a sweetened $5.2 billion offer. This after the Australian coal miner failed to get a rival bid. And Dollar General posted a second quarter adjusted net income of $181 million or 52 cents per diluted share. This on revenue of $3.58 billion. Same-store sales for the company were up 5.9% for the quarter.